Hi, and welcome to Personal Injury Today, where we discuss the hot topics to help attorneys understand their clients' cases better and arrive at a fair settlement. We are now with Dr. Brad Poppie, and we are going to just dive into this topic. And I just want to get a little bit more into this process of working with clients. So when an attorney approaches you for the very first time, what is your first step with them?
Deep diving as much as we can into the case on a very short phone call. So it's the questions I'm asking them. It's, tell me about your client. What happened in the accident? Their age. Are they working? Are they not working? What sort of impairments do they have? Is it a neck injury, a low back, both? Is it a traumatic brain injury? What sort of treatment have they had? Or what sort of treatment is still pending that you know of? So getting just a general idea of the kind of demographics of the case, that's first and foremost. And then after we kind of talk about that, then I always kind of turn it back on the attorney. What's your game plan? What do you think the patient needs? Because I want to get their take. Because it's, again, working with attorneys, it's a team approach. Okay? I collaborate with them, they collaborate with me. Okay? So I want to get their idea of where they think the case is headed and you know, where are they steering the ship? Okay? And then after I get that information, then I'll interject because they'll, of course, want my opinion. Right. And you know, from a medical rehabilitative standpoint, what do you think we're missing, Dr. Poppie? Right. What's the missing piece of the puzzle that we need to get this case to the finish line?
Yeah, because they're going to know. I mean, those questions are great. I'm sure they're fairly standard and general information. But your client, your attorney, is going to want to know, what is Dr. Poppie's methodology and strategy? What are your thoughts moving forward now in this case?
Exactly, because at the end of the day, if they retain me or someone on my team, that person's going to have to go to bat for them in trial. So they need to make sure they're hiring the right expert, the one that has the credentials, you know, they have to be competent, obviously, but also how are they going to present in trial to a jury? So they're kind of interviewing me too, you know, to make sure I'm the right fit for their case or essentially their client.
Mm-hmm. Well, in addition to that too, you probably want to understand what reports have they gotten, reports and evaluations, what do they plan to get, and what maybe holes might be missing that either you or someone, you know, such as yourself could fill.
Absolutely. So when we're talking about this case, again, typically the case is either in pre-litigation or litigation, and they're trying to build their damages report. And they have a certain timeline before all their disclosures are due, okay, to the insurance company. So it's kind of a discussion of how can we build value to your case? Are you missing earnings capacity reports to show work-related issues? Is it something where we're just trying to establish how bad this patient is based on their injury? Are they not able to walk? Are they not able to you know, stand up, roll over in bed? Are they having cognitive issues? Whatever, establishing those. Maybe it's something that, hey, we need to put some dollar signs to the person's future medical care costs. So that's when I start to kind of deep dive within my own brain and problem solve from the practitioner end. How can we add value to the case? And so it's just kind of that collaborative teamwork approach, working with them to really determine the correct, you know, way to move forward with the case.
That's wonderful. If you have questions for Dr. Poppie, please leverage the comments section below this video. Type in your questions and your feedback that you might have for us, as well as ideas on future topics for the show. Again, share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.